Just smile if you're having fun tonight and move if you feel the push inside. Move your body.
Oh, hey there. You probably don't remember me. So let me reintroduce myself. I'm Dr. O, cosplay enthusiast. I don't know what the O stands for either. Anyways, we're back with another last day project. Basically, for those that don't know, Dr. O's cosplay show is dedicated to turning anything into a costume and proving that you can have fun with it, no matter the budget. And today, we're gonna turn this rabbit onesie, this colorful pink onesie, into some cyberpunk combat armor using the cannibalized parts of an old PC. My old PC. I used to actually do a lot of editing on that computer, and it was a nightmare. Some of you might have recognized the bike armor that we're gonna throw over top of this from the zombie walk, but we're gonna give it more of a cyberpunk flair by using the cannibalized parts of the old PC to make it look more battle-torn. We also have with us various cheap forms of L-wire that you can find on Amazon at various prices. It's all basically the same, so with the exception, I will say that I have a lot of experience using product from Glow City, and they do have much thicker EL wire than what you can usually find on Amazon, but that comes at a different price. We're going cheap. It really doesn't matter. It all glows mostly the same. My friends are helping me with this project. They're the best friends a friend could ever ask for. I've used friend so many times in one sentence. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this return of the Dr. O cosplay show. A day before Youmacon. Gonna be fun, and we'll see what happens. Let's go. I'm not gonna punch the lens. Every YouTuber does that. I'm different. I'm just gonna walk away. We're rolling, Legacy from Twitch. That's a plug, by the way. What's a plug? Okay, so with much hard work on everyone's part, teamwork, beautiful teamwork, we've turned random things around this house, mainly a computer and my roommate's bike armor that I totally didn't steal.
Wait, what?
So once again, I've accidentally started a bit of a tradition here. Seems like the day, 1 or 2 days before a con, we show off something really weird, and then we wear it to a con. Shark heads. Aliens. Oh my god, you're not ready for multiple aliens at a convention. It's gonna be a highlight. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to like tear something apart and hot glue it to some random article of clothing and wear it to an event of some kind. I hope you have a happy Halloween. And if you see me at Youmacon, don't be afraid to come say hi to us. We're all coming to party around and have a good time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe. If you didn't like it, that's okay. I'm glad you stuck around to the end. I'm Mobby Nerd. Wait, no, excuse me. I'm Dr. O tonight. Some unspecified time. And I'll see you in the next video. This is your night to shine.